Hi everyone, this is Tony, the owner of Golden Season Landscaping, and today I want to share with you some basic knowledge about roses. And right now we have a variety of roses. This is the red variety. Just to keep in mind, this is blooming very nice. It's growing very nice. One of the key for you to reach to this stage is to proper pruning is very necessary for this type of roses. If you don't do it the right way, you actually will end up killing it in the long run. And sorry about the dogs, but so right here we have these roses growing very beautiful. Which I always talk to them, um, and so you have to use a hand pruner. Never use a gas shear or anything like that. You have to use a hand pruner. That you only use that pruner to trim healthy plants. Never use a hand pruner that you're gonna be like trimming all the regular plants, because then you can carry bacteria and fungus in the blade, and at the end of the day you're gonna end up killing the plant. So make sure you use hand pruners that are properly cured with alcohol. You can go ahead and do that, clean it up like that, and this is the result.